Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number or serial number on this device. So the first method, you can just open your phone application, open keypad on it and enter the secret code, which is *06#, and here you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and also the serial number. And the second method, you can just open settings, then go to the about phone section, and here you can find all of this information. Here you have your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and in model and hardware section you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.